If you want to order these collection, you can directly take a screenshot, directly send to us. You can see this piece, you can see this next collection as well. This is going to be in the beautiful pink color. We can provide it for you. You can see the next collection also. This is also going to be in the cut work. You can see how beautiful it is, and every piece is going to be with the lining. Hello YouTube family, so today I have brought you very beautiful Jakard 3-piece collection, which is going to be very good for the wedding season, for the Ramzan season. If you are watching this video from Dubai, from Muslim countries, this video is going to be just for you, because I have brought this collection under 1000 rupees. You heard it right, just for 1000 below price. So what are you waiting for? Watch this video till the end. So first collection is going to be in the Jakard. You can see the neck as well. On the neck you can see the zari weaving. Along with it, you are going to get the fabric with the lining as well. You can see the lining as well. And if you want to see how it's going to look, this is going to look very nice. And if I talk about the dupatta, if I talk about the collection, this is going to be with the proper cut work dupatta. You can see the cut work dupatta as well. If you want to order this collection, we have video call facility as well. You can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us, video call us. And if you're watching this video maybe from the outer country, you can directly call us, video call us, plus international shipping is also available. Next collection is going to be in the yellow color, beautiful yellow color. Plus you can see the proper 3D printing. You can see the neck work. If you want to see the sample piece of it, how it is going to look on the dummy, you can see this piece. This is going to be very beautiful, very viral design. If I talk about the dupatta, you are going to get again proper cut work dupatta. You can see this dupatta, how beautiful it is. Plus it is going to be with the proper zari weaving, and this is going to be under 1000 rupees. But this is just for B2B, not for B2C. So don't call for single pieces. In this bunch you are going to get small, medium, large, XL, double XL and 3XL. You can see the next collection. It is going to be in the bottle green color. Along with it, you can see the neck area as well. Zari weaving work, sequence work, along with the thread work. You can see how beautiful it's going to be look. And if I talk about the dupatta with it, you are going to get proper 2.5 meter dupatta. You heard it right. You can see this collection, and you can directly video call us, WhatsApp us. Plus, if you want to see more collection, we are going to have at least 10 to 15 design in every segment. You can finally call and we can WhatsApp you the proper design, proper color chart. And if you want to customize some order, we can provide it for you. You can see the next collection also. This is also going to be in the cut work. You can see how beautiful it is, and every piece is going to be with the lining. So this is a very plus point, and you are going to earn very good margin in this. Now let's talk about the next collection. You can see this collection also. This is also going to be very nice. It is again going to be in the purple color. You can see this collection. If you want to order these collection, you can directly take a screenshot, directly send to us. You can see this piece. And if I talk about what is the MOQ, there is no MOQ. You can take set wise also, but you have to take one set. It is very compulsory. Plus we have a COD facility available. You just have to pay 20% advance. You can see this next collection as well. This is going to be in the beautiful pink color. Along with it, you are going to get this beautiful design, printing and everything. In every segment you are going to get S, M, L, XL, double XL and 3XL. You can see this. This is going to be very beautiful. Plus you can see the piece grace also. And if you want to order these collection, you can directly call us, WhatsApp us. Last collection is going to be in very beautiful segment along with the Banarasi dupatta. This is going to be in the shibori printing, bandhi printing, and on the neck you can see the beautiful handcrafted design. It is going to be with proper Banarasi dupatta. Proper 2.5 meter Banarasi dupatta. You can see this dupatta. And if you want to see a sample piece, how it's going to look on the dummy, you can see this And if you like this collection, you just have to do one thing: subscribe the channel, order us, like, comment and share, and comment down below from where you're watching this video.